Walk into any serious hunting camp, and you'll notice something interesting. Certain classic rifles that once dominated the field are now meeting knowing smiles from experienced hunters. Today, we're examining 5 rifles that have fallen behind modern advancements. This isn't about disrespecting history. It's about understanding why today's hunting community has moved toward more practical options. Whether you're considering a purchase or defending your current setup, let's explore what makes these rifles less suitable for contemporary hunting needs. Number 5. Custom Sporter on Mauser 98 Action. The Custom Sporter, built on the Mauser 98 Action, represents craftsmanship from another era. These rifles feature hand-fitted components and personalized specifications that once made them the pinnacle of hunting firearms. Gunsmiths would spend countless hours creating unique pieces tailored to individual hunters. The controlled round feed mechanism and solid construction earned legendary status among pre-war hunters. However, modern manufacturing has changed the landscape significantly. Today's factory rifles deliver comparable accuracy and reliability straight from production lines. The Custom Sporter requires specialized maintenance that many contemporary gunsmiths cannot provide. Parts availability presents ongoing challenges, especially for older builds. Weight distribution often feels awkward compared to current ergonomic designs. The significant investment required rarely translates to field advantages over modern alternatives. Advantages: exceptional build quality creates heirloom-worthy pieces. Controlled round feed offers reliability. Drawbacks: limited parts, availability complicates repairs, excessive weight compared to current designs. Number 4. CZ550 Legacy Models. CZ550 Legacy models carried forward Mauser design principles into more recent decades. These rifles maintained traditional features like controlled round feed actions and fixed magazines that appealed to hunters valuing time-tested mechanisms. The steel construction provided durability, and the fixed ejector system worked reliably under various conditions. Many hunters appreciated the classic lines and old-school engineering approach, yet modern hunting demands have exposed several limitations. The fixed magazine capacity restricts quick reloading during critical moments. Overall dimensions and weight make these rifles cumbersome on extended treks through challenging terrain. Newer CZ models have incorporated improvements that highlight shortcomings in legacy versions. Aftermarket support for older variants continues diminishing as manufacturers focus on current production. The action requires more effort to operate smoothly compared to contemporary designs. Advantages: solid construction ensures long-term durability. Traditional aesthetics appealed to classic rifle enthusiasts. Drawbacks: heavy profile reduces portability. Limited magazine capacity affects field efficiency. Number 3. Zastava LK M70 MAC5. Zastava M70 and M85 rifles emerged from military manufacturing traditions, emphasizing ruggedness over refinement. These Serbian-made rifles offered hunters an economical entry into full-powered cartridges with military-grade construction standards. The simple design meant fewer parts to potentially malfunction in field conditions. For hunters in regions with limited resources, these rifles provided functional reliability. However, several factors have diminished their appeal among serious hunters today. Accuracy potential falls short of expectations that modern manufacturing has established as standard. Trigger systems lack the crisp, predictable break that improves shot placement. Fit and finish show inconsistencies that affect both function and appearance. Stock geometry often requires modification for comfortable shooting positions. The heavy barrel profile adds unnecessary weight without corresponding precision benefits. Import availability fluctuates, making consistent access to replacement parts unpredictable. Advantages: simple mechanical design reduces potential failure points. Military heritage ensures robust constructions. Drawbacks: inconsistent accuracy limits effective range. Rough trigger quality affects shooting performance. Number 2. John Rigby & Cover Big Game. John Rigby & Company represents British gun-making heritage at its finest, with big game rifles that equipped legendary hunts across Africa and Asia. These rifles showcase hand-engraving, exhibition-grade wood, and meticulous hand-fitting that reflects centuries of gun-making tradition. The company's proprietary cartridges powered dangerous game pursuits in colonial times. For collectors, these rifles represent historical significance and artistic achievement. However, practical hunting applications reveal substantial limitations today. Acquisition costs reach levels that most hunters cannot justify for field use. Maintaining these rifles requires specialized services rarely found outside major metropolitan areas. The extreme recoil from powerful cartridges proves punishing without modern recoil reduction technology. Ammunition for proprietary cartridges presents sourcing challenges and expense. Modern regulations restrict hunting methods where these rifles once excelled. Contemporary dangerous game rifles offer superior ergonomics, reduced recoil, and more practical features. Advantages: museum-quality craftsmanship creates stunning display pieces. Historical significance interests collectors. Drawbacks: impractical pricing excludes most hunters. Proprietary ammunition creates ongoing supply challenges. Number 1. Mauser M98 Standard Magnum. The Mauser M98 established the bolt-action blueprint that influenced firearm design for generations. This German engineering achievement introduced features like controlled round feed, a 3-position safety, and an action strong enough for powerful cartridges. Military adoption worldwide proved its fundamental soundness. Countless hunters harvested game successfully with M98 pattern rifles throughout the 20th century. Nevertheless, modern hunting has progressed beyond what this design delivers. Contemporary actions cycle faster with smoother operation, improving follow-up shot capability. Today's manufacturing produces tighter tolerances that enhance inherent accuracy potential. Modern materials reduce weight substantially while maintaining structural integrity. Current safety designs offer more intuitive operation under stress. Ergonomic advancements in stock design promote better shooting form and reduced fatigue. Optics mounting systems on newer rifles provide more secure and lower-profile scope installation. The M98 remains mechanically sound, but represents technology that current designs have meaningfully surpassed. Advantages: proven reliability across diverse conditions. Strong action handles powerful cartridges safely. Drawbacks: outdated ergonomics hinder comfortable shooting, heavier than necessary for comparable strength. These rifles earned their places in hunting history through genuine capability and countless successful harvests. Respecting that heritage doesn't mean ignoring how firearm technology has advanced. Modern hunters benefit from lighter materials, improved ergonomics, better accuracy standards, and more practical features. If you're currently using one of these rifles, you're carrying functional equipment. Just understand that contemporary alternatives offer measurable advantages. What's your experience with classic versus modern hunting rifles? Share your perspective in the comments below, and consider exploring content about current firearm developments.